If you want your quick links to open in a new tab in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. This is a simple setting, but it can make browsing a lot faster and more convenient, especially if you like opening multiple sites without leaving your start page. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Edge tips. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to your homepage where you can see your quick links and search area. On that page, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top right area of the page. Click on that gear icon to open the settings for your new tab or homepage layout. Once the settings panel opens, look for the option that says Open in New Tab under the Quick Link and Search Area section. This is the setting that controls how your quick links behave when you click them. Now toggle that option on. As soon as you enable it, your quick links will start opening in a new tab instead of replacing your current page. That means you can keep your homepage open while exploring different websites, which makes multitasking much easier. If you ever want to change it back later, you can return to the same gear icon and switch the setting off again. And that's it. Your quick links in Microsoft Edge are now set to open in a new tab. A very small change, but a really useful one for everyday browsing. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy browser tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.